let's explore around the hotel first for the first day. So many places. We've been walking for 30 minutes to find somewhere to eat, and we still can't decide where to go. But everywhere looks so good. Oh my god. Fine, I can't see anything. Walking back to the hotel. It's like so busy today. There's a cigarette like vending machine here. It's a cigarette, right? Anyway, we don't have plan again. Just gonna look around. So tired from walking today. Well, we booked a table at 7:40, but just gonna grab some snacks, which is the fried seafood. This. We just finished our dinner, but I forgot to vlog. I'm gonna put pictures here. Now we're walking home because we're so tired. We walked so much today. My feet, like my left foot, hurts really bad. Hi guys, so it's my last day today. We didn't do much because it's so hot. But we are going to dinner now. We're going to the same place that we went last night because it was so good. Yeah. Did you film yesterday because the place was very close to other table and I got embarrassed. Now there's no one. But I feel like it's gonna be busy soon because it's Saturday. Got this from the shop because it looks like my cats. One looks like Ginger and one looks like Ranger. And that's it. This vlog is gonna end here. Anyway, see you next vlog. Bye!